is from finance too.
Oh, okay.
And from public relation is Tajudin Bakri and Ahmad Umar. And from student academic and planning, we have Mr. Mustaqim, Miss Satria, and Mrs. Fajarwati. From housework staff is Mrs. Nurdaningsi. And from library is Mr. Saharudin.
Okay. So today, I will briefly introduce you about the. Yeah, it's okay. And then I will ask the staff from our academic affairs to answer some of your questions because I might not know everything. Yeah, and also after the meeting here, we will go to the museum, the Chulalongkorn University Museum, just across the big lawn over there. And after the museum, we will go to the main library of the university. So someone working in library, right? So we can, because our faculty library is too small, so probably we should go to the central library. And then after central library, we will go to our newest building of the university, Jamjuli 10. So in that building, we will have graduate school. So all the programs in graduate level will be taken care by graduate school. So we will visit the one-stop service at the graduate school. So you will learn a little bit how do they manage. Have you visited the one-stop service? Or probably you can take the tour too. But anyway, there will be the staff from the international affairs of the university will be the guide. And then she will also take you around the international affair a little bit. So each place may be half an hour each.
Jadi dia akan memanggil staf dari academic affairs kalau ada pertanyaan. Jadi dipersiapkan pertanyaan. Kemudian setelah itu kita akan ada touring ke museum yang tadi ada tempatnya 30 menit. Terus ke library perpustakaan 30 menit. Kemudian ke graduate school di mana ada one stop service. Jadi seperti pelayanan dalam satu kali waktu. Jadi di situ kita akan lihat gimana sih caranya melayani mahasiswa secara baik.
If I can answer, then I will try to answer the question. But if not, I will get back to you.
Jadi kalau ada pertanyaan, kalau misalnya yang dari informasi sama.
So now let me introduce about Chulalongkorn University. You already see this slide. We also have study area and the library that you will visit today. And actually each faculty they have their own library. And then one of the best library is engineering and medical school. That's the brand new.
Fakultas teknik sama kedokteran pustakaannya lebih bagus karena baru.
Yeah, and then they get a lot of money support for alumni. Yeah.
Dia dapat support dana dari
company.
Perusahaan.
Perusahaan.
Yeah, so they support a lot and so they do more than 100 million.
Wow.
Almost. Or maybe half.
Berapa miliar?
50 million.
So the Faculty of Science should be
Yeah, we
funding
should.
like that.
We should try to find money to renovate our library too. Our library is too old. So this one is for international dormitory. We call CU Right House.
The university want between advisor and student talk together before they register. So this is the technique of the university that they want student and the advisor talk together to plan the course before the register. Like that.
Jadi di sana fakultas ini cuma memfasilitasi aja. Yang sebenarnya programnya itu di universitas, tapi fakultas memfasilitasi dengan adanya kode registrasi kayak nomor Untuk mahasiswa. Jadi mahasiswa sendiri yang registrasi sendiri, minta password sama cuma minta passwordnya aja ke bagian akademik affair BAK. Setelah itu mereka kode sendiri dan itu harus disetujui sama pembimbing. Kalau kita kan dosen wali ya, kalau di sini udah langsung ke pembimbing. Mereka sendiri. Terus dia download beberapa macam program yang mau dia pilih. Jadi nggak kayak kita strict harus pilih ini. Nggak, di sini bisa milih mau yang mana. Dan itu harus dengan persetujuan pembimbing. Mungkin sama dengan siakan sekarang ya. Tapi dosen wali kan kalau di tempat kita kalau ini sudah pembimbing. Jadi mereka ingin adanya konektivitas. Mungkin sama ya berarti dengan kita. Seperti itu.
But for graduate students, they don't need to contact advisor.
Ya, untuk pasca sarjana tidak perlu kayak S1.
This one is like student ID. This one is like for the yearbook admission right now. The two of one is student level. If this one on the blue one,
First two are the year.
Is the year.
It's the Buddhist year, so it's not 2016.
like that, and this year is 60.
This year is
Oh, ke ada fakultas.
559 of the Buddhist year.
Jadi di sini di Thailand 2.559 sekarang tahunnya. Jadi itu sama dengan 2016.
So they use the last two digits.
Jadi kita gunakan digit terakhir dari tahun Buddha sih, tahun Thailand.
For the third is the student level. If 3 it means undergrad, but if 7 is graduate.
Oh, 3 itu S1, 7 itu untuk pasca sarjana. Saya dulu 7.
And
The last four. It's check a little bit.
For the two of it is constitutive ID, and for the 2 plus 9 and 10 it means faculty code. It for science faculty is 23, and just for engineering engineering is 21 like that. For the graduate of field it 20 like that. It's separate by the number.
Ada nomor ini.
Sama aman.
Jadi mereka sekarang sistemnya online sih.
ID card.
Yeah, so this one just how to register online.
Baru registrasi online.
So we have to log in, put in your password here, and then you have to log in.
This is your student ID. This is the password. Password that you get from the IT Jula. Like today.
IT tugasnya.
There are some people doing something here.
Iya. Mengkode
And
data.
after you submit the code already, it will show this one. How
This
to
one is in Thai. Actually, they have one in English. Yes. Yeah, this one I show you the Thai version.
this one. This you trust the course that you want to register. Subject course, how many course that you want. But especially for undergrad, in the system you can just score it 22 credit only. If more than that, you have to write the request form. And for graduates, there's only 15 credit only on the website. But if more than that, you have to write the request form above registered to submit to the registrar office.
Jadi ada standar mata kuliah SKS yang bisa diambil bersama ya. Tapi kalau misalnya mengambil lebih harus ada persetujuan dari pembimbing supaya bisa dapat maju SKS lebih dan bisa maju cepat untuk defense.
And this one is like section. Because have some subject have many sections.
Tidak
You
boleh
put the section. And this one is credit.
bantu dia bantu.
And like I said, for the undergraduation, for this process, they have to get the purpose from the advisor put at this process. If they not get the password, they cannot register. Have the time for register. We have about 2 weeks for register before the next semester. If the student cannot register on the time, they have to do again on next semester, but they have to pay money for late register, 300 baht for the first week and 600 baht for the second week.
Jadi kalau misalnya telat registrasi, dia ada dendanya. Minggu pertama 300 baht, minggu kedua 500 baht, dan bertambah-tambah. Jadi semua tidak ada kata-kata telat. Jadi sistemnya sudah fix. Kalau kita kan masih ada telatnya ya.
Ada dikasih kesempatan lagi.
Kesempatan lagi kelas ini bisa harus bayar denda.
Tidak ada kebijakan loh ya.
Kalau nggak disiplin mahasiswanya.
And this one for the student to check the credit and to check the subject or courses that they register. This one you show the subject. This one is the course of subject. This one is the subject, the name of subject. This is the section and this one credit.
Jadi kan tadi kosong ya. Kita cuma nulis kodenya aja. Nanti setelah selesai disubmit, nanti akan keluar namanya otomatis sama SKS-nya.
If they submit already before, they cannot do anything again until the semester will open.
Oh, jadi kalau misalnya mereka sekali submit ya, mau nambah SKS lagi udah nggak bisa.
They will do again on the next semester.
Dia harus di next semester. Jadi kita di sini memang harus hati-hati. Kita harus konsultasi dulu, dilihat listnya mau diambil, baru submit. Kalau misalnya sudah disubmit, nggak bisa lagi dirubah. Jadi artinya dia harus ambil lagi di semester
Tidak lulus error.
If they want to rewrite or change some subject, they can, but they have to check on the next semester. It can. The process will, the system will open about first week to rewrite the subject. No more money to pay more. Not they can do. They not pay more money.
Dia bisa edit di jadwal tertentu 1 minggu setelah registrasi. Setelah itu nggak bisa tanpa bayar. Tapi kalau setelah 1 minggu late registration-nya sudah tidak.
For add more subject, they can do just only 1 week for new semester. But if the time it cannot, some students cannot come on the first week, they can do 2, but they have to write the letter or they write the form for the late register like that. It's the same for the late. That some students cannot get the new ID because some process is not finished yet, but they can do on the second week or the third week, but they have to write the form for late register and write the reason why they cannot do on the first week like that.
Boleh nggak yang telat? Tapi alasannya harus masuk akal, harus ada surat permohonan. Kalau misalnya nggak ada surat permohonan, nggak boleh. Jadi harus ada tanda tangan.
Like for how many students that
I worked here for 9 years, but it's already started, so I'm not sure.
Before 9 years.
More than 10 years
More
ago.
than 10 years. Lebih dari 10 tahun sudah. Dia nggak ada maksudnya terbuka ya, terbuka. Nah, untuk masalah status mahasiswa yang hilang, misalnya si mahasiswa itu tidak membayar, terus dia memang udah semester 5 nih tidak membayar, terus dia tidak registrasi. Saya mau registrasi kan udah nggak bisa karena nggak bayar. Nah, statusnya itu akan lepas sebagai mahasiswa itu diumumkan 2 minggu, diumumkan bahwa sudah ini tidak membayar, dikasih ke jurusan misalnya. Setelah 6 minggu mereka akan mengeluarkan namanya dari sistem online tersebut, dan di situ mahasiswanya sudah tidak dianggap sebagai mahasiswa dari Chulalongkorn University. Jadi sistemnya betul-betul
Sebelum 2 kali ya.
We have 7 floors, so you go 7 floors first.
Kita punya 7 lantai, jadi kita akan berdiri di lantai.
And I have a survey we send over back.
Dia punya kuesioner buat diisi. Sambil
Yes, saya.
kita boleh bawa makanan, jadi bisa santai. Oh bisa loh, yang di lantai bawah. Tadi kalau yang di atas nggak boleh. Kalau di sana tempatnya exhibitionnya yang untuk kabut-kabutan, eksibisi hasil art seninya mereka bisa di sini. Ini sebenarnya luas sampai sana, jadi mereka tutup.
ya.
Ini baju tradisional Chiang Mai, saya pakai kayak gitu. Kesenian
Annual will change every 2 months.
tiap 2 bulan dia akan mengubah apa yang bisa dieksibisi sini. Misal gantian. Nah, siapa dosennya, siapa yang mau eksibisi kesenian di sini. Tiap 2 bulan. Museumnya International Collection.
From July researcher, July Government teacher, and special collection.
Ini bukunya cuman special collection aja, yang jarang dijual. Cuma hanya beberapa koleksi saja yang ada di sini. Koleksi yang bersejarah semua di sini.
This is red.
Yang buku-buku yang limited edition yang hanya ada di benar bisa dipakai. Sejarah perjuangan. Jadi ini buku yang zaman dulu, zaman
300 years.
300 tahun yang lalu bukunya masih disimpan di sini. Jadi kalau ada dosen yang meneliti tentang sejarah kerajaan bisa pinjam di sini dan melihat isi dan kan buku-buku beratus tahun kayak lalu tapi tetap dijaga, bisa dipinjam. You can borrow it only the acan, acan
Only the use only.
cuma di sini aja. Bisa dibaca ini.
Some book we have electronic resource. You can use in electronic book.
Oh, sudah ada yang di-e-bookkan, jadi di scan dan dibaca
If
kembali.
someone have electronic book, we will not use in print book.
Kalau saya sudah punya e-book, wah, bisa
Highlight information center.
komunitas yang pelajari tentang buku-buku bersejarah, misalnya sejarah Thailand, mereka akan mengunjungi section ini untuk meminjam atau membaca-baca buku yang sudah lama atau
Welcome to Thailand Information Center. Thank you for visiting us today. Please come inside.
She will introduce.
Hello everybody, thank you for visiting us today. This room is Thailand Information Center. We are collections of Thailand and ASEAN information. We have approximately 95,000 titles relating to ASEAN countries and Thailand in terms of political, humanities, history, culture. In other words, it's all about political science and humanities. Our document can be traced back to 1865, the oldest one. 1865, yes, the oldest collection. As you can see that we are showing all books in the room because we provide space for working. This room is support for researcher, master degree student, and lecturer. So they need space, co-working space to do that research. Our service is about, I made a retrieval consultation service because all this book here we do catalog ourselves and make abstract keywords ourselves. So we can give a consultation for a newbies master degree that would like to do a thesis or research. They don't know what document that relating to. We can suggest them what others search for if they would like to make do a research about this topic.
Can I translate first?
Yeah. Sorry.
Jadi di sini hanya diberikan space untuk bekerja. Jadi kalau misalnya mau minum buku tinggal ditanyakan aja. Jadi ini lebih kepada bagaimana memfasilitasi master student sama dosen-dosen untuk melakukan studi misalnya politikal, sejarah politik sama ASEAN Studies. Sangat bagus sistem informasi ini, jadi para peneliti yang tidak bisa mendapatkan buku dari market atau toko buku sembarangan itu bisa mendapatkan data dari institusi yang sudah memiliki informasi.
Some of our frequent users come from USA, a researcher from United States, from United Kingdom, and some from all.
And this side is social science. And this way is one of spatial collection, international information center. Here we go to international information center.
Silakan Kak. Harus request itu.
We use to control all of media. movie theater for students who want to use.
Ada movie teaternya untuk relax mahasiswa. Jadi mahasiswa nggak akan stres kalau sekolah di sini. Di ruangan ini bisa 5 atau 6 atau 5 atau 10 orang di sini. Untuk bisa nonton video atau movie.
Cerah, ruang istirahatnya.
Ya, datang. Jadi Chulalongkorn University memfasilitasi mahasiswanya tidak hanya untuk belajar, tapi untuk bisa rileks dan mengatasi stres dengan disediakan fasilitas ini.
Luar biasa.
Luar biasa. Sekaligus mereka menyediakan eksibisi cultural atau movie atau peralatannya digunakan pada ya, hanya section ini aja. Ini ada studio khusus mahasiswa. Kalau menggunakan bisa kontak di sana. Misalnya kita membuat movie kayak gini nih, baru kita mau edit, kita bisa menggunakan di ruangan ini dengan bantuan oleh staff yang kita.
Saya mau kuliah di sini kalau. Studio editing luar biasa. Database.
Yes, all database, all database. And that's not is research support service. You can consulting about how to use online database or how to research all of subject area. We have subject specialists in the research.
Only that is yeah.
It is for only basis recollection.
Thesis collection. We have more than 100 pages.
Belajar untuk di lantai sini. Jadi
Yes, you can research it on our website.
bisa bikin ruangan ini misalnya kalau ada kuliah.
We have something at second floor, fourth floor.
Ya, cuman kita harus bikin
You cannot go in because we should keep. And some room we have computer and TV. You can connect TV with your computer.
especially in library because we want to increase or make our students more excited to study.
So this time of the year is the final examination. So we open the 24 hours for students for 1 month.
Only 1 month
Only 1
in
month.
final exam.
And, 24 hours, 7 days a week. Yeah, and we have to manage the time for them because lots of electricity use, lots of the things, for example, the cleaning and so on. So we have to manage.
Kita harus memanage listrik, kebersihan setiap hari di tempat kerja. Very good.
So you have seen all of the floor, different floors. Would you like us to do for you? You want anything else?
Urusan visa atau ngurus untuk surat izinnya, mereka akan bantu di sini. Jadi nggak hanya kayak di bawah, jadi kita ada one stop service-nya juga untuk international office-nya. Semoga untuk partner universitasnya, jadi kalau misalnya untuk summer program, jadi bagian yang menangani tentang summer program, misalnya di situ kan ada Tohoku University Jepang, mereka bisa menggunakan ruangan itu. Yes, and ask here. That is that. Kalau misalnya mau melakukan kegiatan administrasi submit skripsi, sama apa, itu tidak hanya satu orang yang menangani. Jadi pertama beasiswa, administrasi, isi form, tugas, baru bayarin di sini. Baru nanti ke submit tesisnya di section yang nomor 3 loket ini. Baru nanti kalau misalnya ada informasi ke loket nomor 4. Jadi tidak hanya satu orang yang duduk berdiri di belakang meja. Jadi ada masing-masing. Karena kita berbasis e-tesis, dia yang bagi informasi secara umum bisa nanyakan ke sini. Jadi dia harapkan kemudian yang untuk ini interdisciplinary program. Jadi program-program yang ini saya nggak tahu ya. Banyak